Stop wasting hours rebuilding your Figma designs in Elementor. Experience the future of web design workflow. Manual conversion is the biggest bottleneck in modern web development, draining your time and killing your creative momentum. Introducing our Figma to Elementor plugin. One-click, perfect conversion, and pixel-perfect layouts ready for production. See the difference? Manual building versus our automated conversion process that keeps your design integrity intact. Our plugin uses advanced neural mapping to translate every Figma layer directly into Elementor sections, columns, and widgets. It handles complex auto layouts, typography, and spacing, ensuring your site looks identical to your design file. Simply copy your Figma frames, paste them into the Elementor editor, and watch your design come to life instantly. Used by thousands of designers worldwide to accelerate their production speed by over 90%. Ready to change your design workflow forever. Download the plugin from the Figma community today and start building. Figma to Elementor, the bridge between your creativity and reality.